do that? Oh, I just want to hit stuff. God damn it. Oh, my favorite fucking drum solo is coming up. Oh, perfect. Is fork sealed? Bitch. Alright, a lot of stuff to do this frickin' thing. For one, fork seal is leaking. 2, radiator bent, fricked, all messed up. Bolt holes don't even line up anymore. That's in my house, so I have to go back and get that. Yeah, definitely a lot going on. This thing. I'm not even gonna clean it because I'm lazy. Put tunes on because I feel like it. I use earbuds though, so I don't get copyrighted. I feel like I start recording and then I have an idea of like a million things to say. But then once I am actually recording, I don't have any. Step 1, take wheel off. Yeah, this week's been pretty rough. Fork seal gone, radiator bent, girlfriend gone, and there was another incident at school where a girl passed away. Not doing too great, for being honest. Learning about the psychology of being heartbroken. It's very interesting. Not a fan, but it is interesting. It's crazy how even the songs I listen to have been impacted by this. It sucks balls. Favorite band was always Linkin Park. And now I feel like I actually have some kind of relation to all the songs. And I don't know if it puts me in a better mood. Oh shit. Better mood or not. It's even got me thinking about myself. Because it was one of those things where it was like, you kind of did everything that you could. I think, but it wasn't working. Just fucking hit the bolt in it. Of course, it was the perfect diameter to which it would just get fucking hit into it. Dude, what? Just doing stupid fucking shit. So I can keep my mind off dumb shit. Fortunately, it's probably one of those things where it's better how it ended. At the same time, it just fucking hurts. I seem to have forgotten to take care of myself in the process. I'm not really typically someone who would want to talk about these things, but I don't know. We'll see how post-editing Codey edits this. Shit. Should definitely be cutting this with something else, but I work with what you got. And right now I have this. God, dude, metal music really is just sad. Or go along with it, I guess. You. Alright. Back at it with my favorite activity of fork seals. I change them like 17 times a year. I've genuinely been trying to get back into hobbies that I was interested in before. Not that they really like didn't care for them anymore, but they weren't as fun. Wow, that looks delicious. Think this is going to be worse or the same? About the same. And while those draining, I'm going to go back to my house, grab the radiator and all the other shit. Okay, we back, going strong. Stuff's draining. Got the radiators, the louvers, and an empty bottle of iced tea. Bring me back to life. When I was riding, when I actually, you know, go for a ride every once in a year. My buddy was like, "Oh, are those new graphics since the last time I've seen it?" And I was like, "Nope, same ones." So I'll take that as a compliment. Okay. Alright, so this needs to be... Maybe I should put on a good playlist before I screw myself. I feel like I just want to like scream at the top of my lungs, but I feel like someone will think that I'm dying. Another thing that I've been thinking about too is Andrew Tate. I feel like some of the stuff he says is pretty fucking wild, but I also feel like a lot of stuff that he says isn't so wild. And it's just pretty true stuff that people aren't comfortable talking about. And a lot of it is just funny. It's funny as fuck. But also, Jordan Peterson too. I listen to him a lot. He definitely seems to know what he's talking about and care about people. Kind of like the same way that I do. Yeah. Pepperoni. What's the end of this? Stupid fucking ring. Yeah. Oh shit balls. God damn. Oh, that was easy. I don't remember. Flippy-doo. What are the odds I can get this on there? Oh god, apparently 0. Nailed it. Just decided to fucking shut off while I was having my little concert here. This unscrew and take out. I'm gonna set that down. Put the dirt-filled side towards the dirt. Now these little fuckers just clean out your oil seal seat, your snap ring seat. I don't know why I'm giving this like their instructions to do your fork seals. You should probably not be listening to me. But yeah, just kind of been chilling, I guess. I'd rather not be chilling. I'd rather not be doing fork seals either. But here I am. This one still looks okay. I'd run that. Look at the inside on this one. This one also looks good, so gonna run that. There always seems to be like a flat part and then a rounded part to this. I think the flat part is what goes to the seal. I would hope. And then your seal, it's probably junk. Even though I don't think this one was junk, it just, the other one was. That. Oh my god, I forgot that there was suspension inside of my suspension. Fuck. One band I have been vibing with a lot lately for the past like couple hours is Bad Omens. Pretty solid. What else would be entertaining to talk about? Probably nothing. I don't even know. That Sprite's been in there for like 3 years. Fuck. Oh, there it is. Haha. Fucker. Try to run away. Linkin Park's fucking undefeated. I don't think anyone will ever come close to Linkin Park for me. For me? I don't know about other people. But undefeated, for sure. And always will be. Put the condom on. I'm worried about that though. All right. Why was that so much easier? I don't know the secrets is all told. It's hard enough being alone with myself. Oh, I had to put the frickin' bushings on, idiot. Is the singer from Bad Omens fucking Japanese? I saw that one of the categories they played was Japanese rock. And I don't know if it's because the singer is like half Japanese and half white or something. I have no idea. They have a concert up here in like September. Kinda tempted, not gonna lie. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. Alright, you're gonna have to witness me. Maybe not. Might not be rated PG, or we might have to beat this thing off a little bit, if I can find the thing. That was somewhat satisfying, not gonna lie. So I bring it with me in my portable bag. Am I gonna do fork seals at the track? Oh my god. Really? Dude, where? I'm a fucking disaster. I am a disaster. Oh, there it is. I'm not a disaster. I knew it was there the whole time. 3-1? Yep, looks like the right one. Alright. Make sure no one else is looking. Get the clip in there, you fucking jackwagon. That's one thing I've always wanted to actually be able to do. Is do like fry screaming or false chord screaming for metal music. Not even like to sing, but just to actually do it. Just be so much better. Yep. Ooh, Inside Out. But it only makes me love you more. I guess there's nothing left to talk about. We just don't talk anymore. Oh, lyrics hitting home on that one. They always have such fucking awesome guitar riffs though. Like I don't typically listen to metal because the lyrics are fantastic. I usually listen to it because the drums and the guitar sound cool. They go chug, chug, chug. And the drums actually do stuff. Don't break your teeth when you take a bite of me. Oh, I could talk about my senior design project at school, my capstone, my whatever you want to call it, so I can graduate. So basically, my school wouldn't allow us to actually do what we wanted to because it sounded like building stuff or putting stuff together that's already been made. And I was like, that's kind of what our major is, if you didn't know that. We're energy systems engineers. So we're not supposed to be designing like transmissions and shit. We're supposed to find stuff that's already made and then make it work. That's our major. And during this whole process, we had a topic, and then all last semester, which was my 7th semester out of 8, told us that we were doing great. We're on the right track, etc. So that's going on, and we're working, doing all the progress, doing everything that we can to get this project going. We were supposed to do potential energy and having a wind turbine, and then this big weight go up the shaft of the wind turbine, because when there's excess energy not being used, where does it go? It just gets wasted. So we were like, why not just store it in the form of potential energy? And during that process, it was going great until the very end of the last semester, probably like 3 weeks before the end. The professors all got together for like the 17th time and told us that we were fucking terrible and our project was not gonna work and we should change it entirely. And I was like, oh good, that's useful. You guys could have said that like 17 years ago, and they decided not to. So that was interesting. So then we changed our design to be potential energy storage based in a residential water well, which is already being done, or whatever. They're already trying to do that. So we're just kind of fucking around trying to figure out what our project actually is. Because to me, that still sounds like going back to the beginning where they told us that everything that we're trying to do is just taking stuff that's already built and putting other things together. What is this? Although we do have to do a lot of control stuff, but whatever project we would have done would have had to do the same thing. So I don't know what the fuck they're on. They're just stupid. It's kind of frustrating because they screwed us for 3 months, and in my 7th semester, they're putting the heavy deadlines on us still, and it's just ridiculous. Like, I'm tired of my professor telling us that we're doing great up until a panel review with every other engineering teacher in the school, and then we're just doing terrible, and then we're not on the right track. It's like, yeah, no shit, we're not on the right track because we're 3 months behind because you guys fucked us last semester. Duh. Hello, where have you been? Ironically, the one teacher that usually has fucking zero sympathy for students, she seemed to be the only one that actually remembered that we got screwed with our project last semester. and had to change the entire thing. I was like, wow, that's crazy. It's almost like, who'd have fucking thought? Where have you been? Why is my teacher not standing up for us? Not even the slightest. He's just totally in a fucking Fruit Loop and trying to impress everyone else. He's a smart dude. Definitely a smart guy. He worked for Lockheed Martin in a design team, design stuff. I don't remember what he actually did, whether it was like missiles or planes or I don't know, but it's just frustrating. I'm not the only one. You're so wrong. Bam, bam. Bing, 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 bing. You should know. This is cutthroat. Like, how do people do that? All right, fuck this. I'm gonna turn on this. Infinite. Is fork sealed? Bitch. Oh, I just want to hit stuff. God damn it. Oh, my favorite fucking drum solo is coming up. Oh, perfect. Whoa, I have no idea where this is fucking leaking from. Oh, I missed. Oh my god, it's slipped, it's lubed up. I'm blaming on that. Maybe I'll just save it for when the drums go, and then I'll throw it. Nice! Ooh, look at that, deformed and everything. Beanie bean. All alone in a wall-less prison. Beam, 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 beam. Beautiful. When I pull myself away. God, I just want a drum set. I'm gonna build bunk beds, rub my cock all over drum sets, have a stepbrother to watch Shark Week with. You know, I kind of feel bad because I used to make fun of people who used to listen to like Gangnam Style because they had no idea what the hell they were saying anyway. But I'm kind of guilty at the same time. I'm a hypocrite if I say that and then listen to that, which is in like Russian or German or some shit. Oops. I know there's an English version, but it's fine. Nice, nice. Get up. See, why can't I do that? You make me fucking sick. Pause the fucking song. Hey Siri. I don't have that. Shit. I'm going to guess that is probably the problem. See some notches in there? That's where the dust seal sits. And I'd probably guess that's why that fork was leaking. Because it probably let some dirt, dust, rockies, something by. Oh my god, I did it again. Make sure no one's looking. Oh shit. Oh, it's going inside. Oh my god. Oh my Jesus. Oh no! I didn't want to do that. I wanted to keep it down there. Make sure no one's looking. Oh, it's stuck now. Shit. Oh yeah. Ah, fuck it. Haven't heard Breaking Benjamin probably since me and Jake went to the concert. He got absolutely demolished. Where is my screwdriver? Take the breath right out of me. You left the heart. Do it again. Oh, that felt good. Oh, it's loud. A door? What the hell is wrong with me? This isn't who I'm supposed to be. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up, bitch. Shut up. Shut up. I like that one. Go back. That was pretty good. Whose fucking TV is this? This one's pretty fire. It's an acoustic version that I don't want to talk about. It's reminding me of people at the moment. Only 300? What? I can take crying it like hitting the red. Oh shit. Oh my Jesus Christ. Holy shit. That would have been disastrous. Mirror, mirror, tell me who you say. Shut up, bitch. Alright, done with that. Oh my god, is this a fork seal? Hitting the orange. I missed. 15 foot-pounds. I think I know exactly where it is, actually. Pretty positive. What I'm looking for is in this cooler. Here it is! Nice! I finally ought to let it go! You've killed the faith in me! Shit balls, dude. I need to go for a car ride. I know I'm out of sight, but am I out of mind? And when I close my eyes and dream, I see you in the afterlife. Oh shit. I don't know why I didn't think that was gonna happen. The Southwick 2s? Holy shit. I don't even know what tires were on this. Pull the pin.